Prodigy 216. Make some noise for him, y'all. Make some noise. First up, we have Miss Red WRX. Kristen, come on out, Kristen. Clap her up, y'all. Make some noise for her. Next up, we have the Rudies. Dave and Laura. Make some noise for them. The Rudies, make some noise. Team Secretary and Treasurer, Isabella Bonilla. Make some noise for Isabella. Come on out, y'all. Isabella giving us a peace sign. All right, coming up after that, the 6-man Team Executive VP, JT, Jody Reynolds. Come on out, Jody. Now for your TP 216 Team Prodigy starting 5. First up, co-VP Larry Clint Jackson. Make some noise for Larry, y'all. Next up, holding it down at center, the Sapphire, Nay Rose, road captain number 95, Renee Smith. Come on out, Renee, and make some noise for us. A first-year man repping for all the Soupies all over. Number 4, Avante Harris. Make some noise, Avante. All right, next up, a shooting guard out of Cleveland, Ohio, the Team Prodigy 216 co-vice president, number 33, make some noise for the Black Widow, India Marie. Make some noise for India, y'all. All right, y'all, let's get extra loud for this. My man at point guard out of the University of Akron, weighing in at 205 pounds. He is the founder and president of Team Prodigy 216. Number 3, y'all, make some noise.